This is Hannah Sobel with your weekly grain market update for the market week ending Friday, October 17th. This week's markets close with nearby corn up 10, new crop corn up 10, nearby soybeans up 13, new crop beans up 7, nearby wheat up 5, new crop wheat up 2. We had a relatively slow week in the market, but commodities were up across the board. Corn pressed lower at the start of the week as harvest progress and lack of positive news led December to close 2 cents lower. By midweek, corn was moving up, and it was largely attributed to short covering as funds were estimated buyers of 11K contracts. By Friday, we were closed with the best close since 9/25. Headlines to continue to be quiet as we move into the weekend. Beans were able to start the week with a rally from the weekend. President Trump had a different tone come Sunday after Friday's negative, which provided a much-needed relief to the market. Strong crush margins and steady processor pulls offer support. But without renewed Chinese buyers or South American weather setbacks, rallies are likely to face selling pressures. Beans still managed to close strong today, and continued support from the monthly crush figures help support demand ideas despite the lack of Chinese business. The wheat futures extended last week's weakness on Monday, both KC and Chicago nearby contracts posting new lows. Comfortable global and U.S. supplies continue to weigh on the market. Wheat is down midweek with Russian wheat harvest estimated at 95% done, with local production up nearly 8% versus last year's production, as yields are estimated 14% better versus last year. Come Friday, wheat found little rebound help from row crops as well as continuing to bounce off early week lows. Give your local merchandiser a call to communicate any needs you may have or any contractings you may want. Thank you for listening to this week's market recap from Country Visions, and have a great weekend.